Electrics. How do we make sure we have enough sockets in the right place? Usually you aim to put one double socket in the corner of each room, but that can end up with endless sockets extensions dotted around. That's fair enough in a renovation or if the budget's really tight, but in a new build or a full rewire, you can really afford to plan ahead. There's no real set way to represent sockets and switches on drawings, but I like to draw double sockets like this, USB points, high-level sockets for TVs, and outdoor sockets like this. New sockets have to be at least 450mm from floor level and 350mm from a corner. Just like with lighting, how are you going to use the space? Where will your TV be and any integrated speakers or any kitchen equipment that you know that you'll use all the time? Day-to-day use like for hoovering or USB charging sockets, sockets either side of the bed, and of course, where are you going to put a Christmas tree? I hate to see kitchen spurs or isolation switches all over the walls, so you can ask to have them labelled and put inside a cupboard so you can access them easily, but they're hidden away. Considering where to put sockets on kitchen islands or worktops, if you have the space, pop-up sockets are absolutely brilliant and they work really well on beautiful big islands, especially where you have, say, a radio or toaster and you don't want the wire showing. It is great to be able to recess in TVs where possible. Make sure you show what power and cable requirements you need. And don't forget outdoor sockets. Waterproof or IP66 ones aren't very pretty, so try and make sure they're hidden away a little bit, but still usable. And one last thing, another pet hate, I've got several, bathroom fan spurs or isolation switches. I really hate it when they're on the hall wall. So actually, again, get those labelled and put into a cupboard so they're hidden away.